How to install Square POS app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Square POS app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your app store. On your app store, simply search for Square POS. After you search for that, you should find this app right here, Square Point of Sale. So here you can see what this app looks like. You can go through the previews here and you can see what it does from the description as well. It is an all-in-one payment processing app designed for businesses. So if you are in retail or if you are in a wholesale business, you can use this for your financial payment processings. So to download this, tap on the install option right here. I have this cloud one, but just tap on install. And after you tap on install, it should start downloading. After it begins, just wait for it. And after it completes downloading, you can simply open it up and start using it. And it's basically that simple to install Square POS app. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.